When I think about really delicious family-friendly meals and snacks, I think of Catherine McCord, founder of Weelicious. Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna do something called yogurt bark.
Yes, this is one of my all-time favorite recipes. Will you give me 2 cups of the whole milk organic yogurt?
And this is Stonyfield, one of our sponsors.
I love this yogurt because it's low in sugar, high in protein. And then I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of honey. And then I've got 1 tablespoon vanilla extract here. We have a baking sheet here that is lined with parchment paper. This is the real fun part. Spread away anything you want on top.
Blueberries.
Yeah, I love blueberries.
I'll do raspberries.
Get on in here. I always put a few chocolate pieces. It makes me happy.
Pistachio.
I love that crunch and salt, and with the fruit, it's kind of amazing. All right, so this is it, and we're gonna pop this in the freezer. It freezes in about 4 hours.
Last night I made it myself.
Look how pretty! But watch this. It comes off like in a sheet, and then you can just start breaking it.
Cheers.
Ching, ching.
Cheers.
Isn't that so good?
It's a nice little hit of honey, creamy.
And it's dessert.
And it's fun.
I am impressed with you.
Thank you.